Think of a world where clean energy powers your life, where security meets innovation, and your electrical needs are met with expertise. Think of Nejoi's Ventures, a company whose commitment does not end with installations, but extends to an excellent after-sales service. We deal with solar installations, backup power, CCTV systems, solar-powered streetlights, electrical wiring, and even solar-powered boreholes. We promise to deliver the best to fit your needs for now and the future. Contact us now at 0907 720 2664. You can meet us at A107, Shopping Complex beside Greater Tomorrow Academy, Ruben Aho Avenue, off Second Ugbo Road, GRA, Benin City, Edo State. Nejoi's Ventures is at your service.